What's up guys? Ito tayo at muli tayo magre-react sa isa na namang cover song ng paboritong banda ng Bayan Parans Rhythm guys. Ito yung cover song ni Master Chen. Yung Out of Reach na kanta ni Gabriel. Yung nirelease noong April 9, 2001. Ayan, napakasikat nitong kanta na to guys. Tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling si Chen dito sa cover song na to.
A song from Gabriel. The sign wasn't right. I was stupid for a while.
Gamit ni Master Chen dito yung kanyang Les Paul, no? Ang ganda ng kulay. Color blue.
Swept away by you. And now I feel like a fool. So confused, my heart's bruised. Was I
Laki na talaga na in-improve ng kanilang studio guys. So, tignan nyo. Diba? Napaka professional na yung dating. Balanse lahat yung design ng kanilang stage, pati yung pagkakaayos ng mga instrumento. Grabe, laki na talaga ng in-improve ng bandang Parans Rhythm pagdating sa kanilang content.
ever loved by you, out of reach, so far. I never had your heart, out of reach, couldn't see. We were never meant to be. Catch myself from
Andun pa yung case nung gitara ni Chen, yung Gibson tsaka yung Fender.
despair. I could drown if I stay here, keeping busy every day. I know I
Smooth naman nun. Yung boses ni Chen na yun, ang lamig pakinggan.
will be okay, but I was so confused. My heart's bruised. Was I ever loved by you, out of reach, so far?
Tsaka pansin ko guys, merong grand piano si Char, ano? Yung ginamit niya dun sa isang lang cover song. Lupit. Dami na nilang instrumento. Talagang level up na sila pagdating sa mga musical instruments.
I never had your heart, out of reach, couldn't see. We were never meant to be. So much hurt, so much pain, takes a while to regain what is lost inside. And I hope
Ang ganda rin ng keyboard ni Char, oh. Tapos naka-condenser mic pa siya. Grabe. Pro na pro. Ang datingan na nila dito, guys.
that in time you'll be out of my mind. I'll be over you. But I am so confused. My heart's bruised. Was I ever
Pati yung transition ng camera, no? Pansinin nyo guys, hindi na lang isang view yung kanilang camera. Meron ng transition. Galing.
loved by you, out of reach, so far? I never had your heart, out of reach, couldn't see. We were never meant to
Husay din pipili ni Chen ng i-cover. Bagay na bagay sa kanya to. Yung timbre, sakto lang sa boses niya.
be. Out of reach, so far. You never gave your heart in my reach. I can see
ganito yung mga masarap pakinggan na tugtugan eh. Ano lang, smooth lang siya, no? Sarap pag, lalo pag nagda-drive ka, long drive. Pamparelax.
For me.
Grabe. Ang lupit talaga ng paboritong banda ng Bayan Translating, guys.
Thank you so much.
Talagang lahat halos ng kanilang mga cover song. Napakagaganda at quality. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel, guys, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga cover song na napakagaganda, guys. Meron din silang mga vlog dyan, tsaka yung mga original song nila. Hanapin nyo lang. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, at sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating i-upload.